Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. I know, you don't recognize me now. But it's me, it's Miriam. Yeah, it's me. I've taken out braidings now. You see the braiding, oh, it almost destroyed my hair. But yeah, I had to do it. But now, Miriam, I'm busy with the hair. I washed it, condition. Now you see I'm gonna make magic now with this thing to see if it can make magic. But this is my natural hair. This is how it look. Me, Miriam. This is how I look. You always see me most with the dookie, but now I'm gonna see how Miriam can look when she's pretty. Cause I'm on my way to a function, to a fancy function, so I have to look nice. But bye bye everybody. You'll see me after the hair it's finished. Then Miriam will show you how it's looking. Bye bye everybody.